Don't know from what, but we're back.
So the kids are doing the eggs.
Are you pretending to be my dad?
Yes, I am. The kids are doing the eggs.
You're a kid, too.
We did the food.
What about the donkeys? You have to do all of them, Dad said so. What is it?
Well, leaving the kids with a camera and some chores always makes for some good videos. See what they come up with.
So here are the two pigs. This one right here, I think the mama. I think she's got some babies in there. You got babies? Huh? How are you? Get you guys some food. Right here, she's just getting big. There are two girls, these are the two gilts. This one right here is a little younger. That one is a little older, so maybe her stomach is just a little bit bigger, but I don't know. I have a feeling that she is pregnant. Man, what a beautiful, beautiful morning on the farm right now.
Let's jump on a tractor and try to get this brush work done.
It's a little rattly, but we usually don't travel really far with these things, and I'm going down the road a little bit. We'll see. I'm just going to play around a little bit, see if I can't make some room up here in this area. I mean, it's starting to look a little better. Well, I don't know if I'm making more of a mess or cleaning things up. I don't know. But it's starting to look a lot better. Look at, I mean, you could never, before, you would never be able to see this like this. Meanwhile, back at the house, chores are kind of getting done.
Hey, Maddie, what's that thingy for? You're not coming to wash the eggs? Oh, yeah. What's that red and green thing for?
That's the electric fence.
To turn it on and off.
You didn't give it the last bowl. Soulmates. Okay.
Hey.
Just put it in there. He'll figure it out. See?
Now this one's gonna eat all.
There.
Okay.
We still got a lot. Like, a lot. They're basically all. I don't get how that one's not dry yet.
You guys can just keep them right where they are anyways, and I'll dry them off when we get home.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell, and we'll see you on the next one.